Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 20 Higbee in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So this is one of our brand new homes that we just built here in this very large project that we have building a ton of homes here. You get this really great deck here. We'll take a look inside. You can just see how large this living room and kitchen setup is. So this house is pretty much completely finished. The only few things that need to be done is just add the AC unit outside and the sod in the front. You see there, this living room has a cable jack, so it's perfect to put a TV right there. Here you can see the deck. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen. So we have this really nice offering where you've got the white cabinets with the black handles. I think it looks really, really great. We have Whirlpool appliances throughout this home. This is the refrigerator. You can see it's side by side, freezer on the left side, fridge on the right side. Now all of the appliances in this house come with a warranty through the manufacturer. Here we can see the adjustable shelving in the cabinets, and the special feature is that slow close on the cabinet doors, so you don't have to hear any slamming. You've got this really nice corner window setup, so if you're doing the dishes or whatnot, you've got great light coming in. Here's the dishwasher. And here we've got this really, really pretty sort of robin's egg subway tile. Here's your microwave above your stove and oven combination. And the other thing with the oven is on the bottom as well, you have a heating tray. Take a look at this room right here, which is where you can put your washer and dryer. So side-by-side machines would fit perfectly here. You've got some great cabinetry on the right, perfect putting towels or linens or whatnot. And you've got your back door right here. You can see there's a little bit more construction to be done with building more houses. Right here we have the electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular home, so it's 100 amps. Right here we have the thermostat. And this is the first bedroom. So it's very spacious in here, and you can see it kind of just gets lit up perfectly by the windows there. Take a look at the closet. Got a wire rack above. That's your data plate right there, and this is your whole house shut-off valve. There's also 2 screens in here that we provide you. Now we'll take a look at the bathroom. Here we've got sliding doors for the shower with 2 seats in there. It's 1-piece fiberglass with a little light above. Laminate countertop here with the sink. Also notice these really nice doors we have here. This is a newer kind of nicer model we have. And this is the water heater. This is a 40-gallon water heater. And it fits perfectly right behind the door, so it's really out of the way. And we'll take a look at the other bathroom. This one is a bathtub. It's got that same window above the shower head. Here is the furnace. This is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air. One thing I really like about this new model that we're putting in our homes is there is a very easy replacement for the air filter. So you don't have to get dusty or anything, you just slide it out and then slide the new one in. This is the second bedroom here. This room, as well as the previous bedroom and the living room, also all come with cable jacks equipped, so you can put a TV in any room you want. And this is the closet. Now, if you're interested in this house or any other houses that we offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set up on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.